Video here. I'm starting part one of PC computer basics, and today I just want to cover some basic computer information for you. Today I'm just going to show you a couple of ways you can access your computer system information. I believe this can be some valuable information to someone out there. So I just want to show you this real quick. So let's get started. So the first way I'm going to show you. You can go here, and this is the easiest way, and type in control panel, and you see it comes up here. You don't have to right here in the top left. All right, control panel comes up. You can go here where it says system and security, and then under here where it says system, just click view amount of RAM and processor speed. All right, and this window opens up. So this shows you here, this gives you some basic information about your computer, the device name. This is my device name, desktop. It says here, this is the processor. And what the processor is, it affects the speed of your computer, how fast it processes the information you input. So this is a very valuable component inside your computer. And you see it gives a type here Intel Core i5 and the speed i5 2.30 gigahertz. So it's pretty fast, my computer. And here is the RAM. The RAM is the memory, which is another little small component inside your computer. The RAM also affects the speed of the computer, working hand in hand like with the processor. So the more RAM you got, the faster your computer will go as well. And you see here I have 16 gigabytes, which is really good, pretty good, really good in today's computers. And under here you got a short description, Windows specifications. So this is the edition I have, Windows 10 Pro. Version is 22H2, and this Windows system was installed on my computer on December 8th, 2022. Okay, folks, so that's one way you could access your computer information. Another way, and this gives you more details, you can go here and type in system information, which when you just type in system, up here you see it populates, it goes to information. So you can open this just by double clicking. That opens your system information window, and you see it gives it a full system summary of your computer. Again, OS, which is my Windows version, opera name is Microsoft Windows 10 Pro. That's the version I have. And then it also gives you some more detailed information. System manufacturer. This is more detail in here, which mine is a HP. So HP, some people might have Dell, Toshiba. Your manufacturer is basically the type of computer you have. If you have Dell, HP, etc., it lets you know this is the manufacturer. And this also gives you the system model, which this information can be very valuable when you're taking your computer in for repairs. The IT pro or pros they'll need this model if you're replacing like hardware components, so they can get you the right part for your computer. So you see here I have an HP EliteBook 850 G3. Also the processor again shows you here like I showed you before in the other window. Okay, and also again, you go down, it shows you the installed memory, 16 gigabytes. And it's really neat because we have other information here, hardware resources, components. It tells you all about like your different components, like your ports. It goes into detail about that. You know, I'm not gonna get into all that though, but it's here. Software where you can find out just a lot of different information in this window. Okay, folks, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned because this is just part one of PC basics. I'm gonna have a lot more coming here to this video, so stay tuned to my channel. I hope you enjoyed and have a great day. All right, YouTubers, I'm back again. This time I'm going to do computer basics This is part two of computer basics. Last time we talked about, I showed you how to access your system information to find out valuable information about your computer. So this time I just want to show you how to change your settings on your computer where your computer will not go to sleep. And also, if you have a laptop, maybe you have a work from home job and you got like dual monitors, like two monitors, and you're working off them, and you got a laptop and you want to be to shut the lid without it making your computer go to sleep. Well, I'm going to show you how you can set that where you when you close the laptop lid, it won't go to sleep. It won't. So here we go. I want to show you that. All right. So first thing here, I got Windows 10. I don't know what Windows version you got. I'm assuming now that most people got at least Windows 10. So what you can do is go here, type in settings. You see, you don't have to type in the whole word. It comes up. Double click on settings. This brings you into your settings menu where you can change computer settings. So now we want to go into this setting, system display, sound and notifications. Okay, and in here, scroll down a little bit. I'll show you here. So now you want to go to power and sleep settings. Click on power and sleep. Now, as you see, I've already got mine set up for never. My computer never goes to sleep. When on battery power, turn off after, never. Now you can set up how you want to, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour. If you want your computer to go to sleep after, after a few minutes, if you're not using it at the time, you can change that. When plugged in to the charger, just turn off. I got never. But again, you can change it here. On battery power, PC goes to sleep after, never. When power plugged in the PC goes, I got it. You can set it to never. Now, to change the other settings I was telling you about, if you don't want your computer to go to sleep when you close your laptop lid, you go over here to where it says related settings and click additional power settings. That opens up this window. Now, in this window, you want to choose out of all these, choose what closing the lid does. So when you choose that, this takes you into this window. So on battery, when I press the power button on battery, of course, if you hit the power button, you want to shut it down. Or you can change it to turn off display, hibernate, sleep, whatever you want to do. I got mine set to shut down, plugged in, shut down. Now, this is the same as I'm talking. When I press press the sleep button, I got it set for do nothing. When I close my lid, see, that's what I was talking about. You can change it to hibernate sleep, but I got mine on do nothing. When I press the sleep button, and this is yeah, when it's plugged in, I got it set to do nothing. And same here, when I close the lid, do nothing. So this part is on battery. When it's not plugged into the charger, that's what this setting is for. And this is when it's plugged into the charger. So, and then after you finish with, I'll just click here and hit save changes, and that's it. All right, folks, I'll go over some more stuff in this setting because it's a lot of stuff about display. In the next section, I'll go over some more things about in future vids about how to set up your displays if you got dual monitors, to make sure that your computer is recognizing all your monitors, and make sure you got it set the one that you want as the main display. So that's it for now, folks. I hope you enjoyed and found this information valuable. Stay tuned. Like I said, many more parts to this computer basics tutorial. Continue on with some more parts, but this is it for this part on changing your computer power settings. So for now, I hope you enjoyed and have a great day. Talk to y'all soon. Okay, YouTubers, here I am again and back again with another great video for you. on PC Basics. This is PC Basics Part 1. It's the third tutorial in a series of tutorials I'm going to do on educate you on basic computer functions and basic computer knowledge. So today, I just want to show you about this little bar down here. I'm gonna go through some settings. This is called your task bar. This bottom bar right here, and with this, you can change. It got a lot of neat little functions here where you can change the settings on your computer. And so I'm going to show you a couple things. So first, we're going to go in taskbar settings. I'm gonna right click. That's how you get it. And we go here, click taskbar settings. So I want to show you, the first thing I want to show you is it's a lot of good neat tricks in here, but I'm gonna go over a couple here. So I want to show you how to change the location on your taskbar. So what I mean by that, you can change this taskbar a couple ways and put it on different sides, like left, right, top. If you don't like it on the bottom here, you can move it. And the way you do that is where it says here taskbar location on screen. Right now it's on the bottom. So instead of it put on the bottom, you can click here and you can move it. I'll show you here. Like if you want it to the left, let's try it. Let's just do left. And see, it moves it to the left side of your screen. Now, some people might like this. Me personally, I don't like the left side, or changing it to the right or the top, which is your other option here. I prefer mine on the bottom, so I leave mine like that. Okay, now another thing I want to show you, you have in this area of the task, this is called your system tray, and you can control which icons appear down here in this part of the taskbar, which is a system tray. And the way you do that is called the notification area. So you select here where it says select which icons appear on the taskbar. And as you see, the ones I got on here, those are the ones that I got in appearance. Now, you can also select this, turn this on, and see how it changes down here. Always show all icons. No, see all these different icons that just appear. Your Bluetooth, this right here, and everything else. But if you don't want that, you could just click off and see it goes back to what icons I got appearing. So I'll show you how this works. Now, if you want your Bluetooth devices shown in this taskbar, you see where it says Windows Explorer Bluetooth device. Just click on here and see how that little Bluetooth icon appeared right there. You see, and then you have access if you want to go in, show Bluetooth devices. That's another little neat trick. It's like a shortcut to access Bluetooth devices or whatever you want to access. Okay, so let me go back here. Sorry, we'll go back to taskbar settings, and I'll show you. Okay, go here. So you can choose any of these that you want on and off tasks, whether your antivirus. I use Avast. I'll show you. So I click on, and it'll make my antivirus appear. But I like to clip that off. So let me go back. Now I got my internet. I can click off, and that'll make that disappear. And you see it came back when I click on. That's my internet icon. I'm going to turn this off because I don't have this usually on. So, all right, folks, that's it for that video. If you got any questions, anything, comments, feel free to put in the comments box. And if you want to know any more, like I say, any questions, feel free to put it in the description box and I will get back with you as soon as possible. Okay, folks, that's it for this video. Stay tuned Got one more coming real soon here, so stay tuned to my channel. All right, until next time, take care. All right, YouTubers, here I am again in this last part, part one, PC Basics. This is the last part of this. This is going to be the last section of this part, PC Basics. And then we're going to move on to part two. But then this part of PC Basics, today I want to teach you about how to make your apps set the default setting on your apps. So what I'm talking about here is like different apps that we use, like Adobe, Google Chrome. I want to go in and show you how to make them your default apps. So that's the one you can use, you will use to open certain programs all the time, or Windows. Okay, so I'll show you here. So we can go in, go to start menu here, and instead of going all the way up to click settings, to hit settings in the search box, you could just click it right here, settings. All right, the little gear icon, and now in here where we want to go is right here where it says apps. Under apps, it says apps, uninstall default optional features. So here, when you click on apps, it'll take you into this list. Now here's a list of all the different applications and apps you have on your computer. This is my list of apps, everything that's installed. Okay, you see I have a list of apps. Now if you want to change the default settings, you go on the left side here, it says default apps, and click there. And you see here it says default apps, choose default apps. Now, so the way you do this, say if you want to change your email, your mail app. Now by default they have it Outlook as your default email, but if you want to, you can change it to any of these: Google Chrome, any of these, Microsoft Edge, and then they have Outlook 2016, Outlook here, but I just leave mine there. Okay, and so you have different sections. You got maps, same here if you want to change your map. Now for this, to find another map default, you had to go to the Microsoft Store. And a lot of time when you go to Microsoft Store, those are free. Like you can click on it, I'll show you, and you can get a lot of free stuff in the Microsoft Store if you so choose to, or you can just leave it as this one, maps. So you have different map, Windows map, map.cz. You can change these if you want to. I just leave mine like that. Music player. Now I have mine to set as a default as Windows Media Player, but if I wanted to change it, I could click here. Or I'm sorry, this is Media Player, and if I want to change it to Windows Media Player, I can just click here. Okay, and it will change it to see Windows Media Player. Now that's my default media player. Okay, now I'll show you briefly how this works. Now when I open a video or something, I'll just show you real quick. Any video I open will open up, see, automatically as Windows Media Player. See how that works? Pretty neat, huh? Okay, now I'll show you a couple more here. My web browser is set my default as Google Chrome, but if I wanted to change that, I can go here and I can make, they recommend Windows 10 Microsoft Edge, but I don't like Edge myself. But if I wanted to, I can click Microsoft Edge and see it changes my default web browser to Edge. So I'll change it back to Chrome because that's what I like. And it'll say try Microsoft. I said I'd switch anyway. I don't want Microsoft Edge. Okay. And also you can go in here. This is neat. You can set all your default apps right here on the third one. You can click that, and you can go in here, like you could set everything to Adobe, you know. Uh, as you see, I already got all mine set, all my PDF files, PDF to Adobe. I got a few in here. Now this one's not, so I can change this to Adobe. Whereas blank, this PDF, I can change this to Adobe. So anything that's a PDF file that I have will open up as Adobe. Okay, folks, so that's all I wanted to show you on that part. Um, if you have any comments, once again, questions, please do not hesitate to put it in the description box. And as I said, once again, this is it for part one of PC Basics. Stay tuned to my channel, as I will be coming soon with part two PC Basics. And again, if you like this video, if you found it beneficial, educational, please feel free to add a like, and subscribe to my channel. All right, folks, looking forward to doing more tutorials for you. Stay tuned, more to come. All right, everyone, have a blessed day. Peace.